Hello and welcome back to Sounds of Isolation. I'm Clíodna Shanahan. Please subscribe below for all updates to this series. Today we're going to travel together to late 19th century Paris and the music of composer-pianist Erik Satie. Now, Satie wrote a lot for a solo piano. I'm just going to play one of his pieces for you today, and it's called Gnossienne No. This is hypnotic, captivating, compelling music, and one of my favourite things about it are the words that the composer puts onto the score. He writes such things as very shiny, postulate within yourself, and right at the end, with the tip of the tongue. And these phrases have such an amazing sort of surrealist, Dadaist quality, they bring me a lot of joy. Let's immerse ourselves then in the strange and beguiling world of Erik Satie.